Hi there, welcome to Mission Ascension. Thank you so much for showing up on this timeline today. I'm sending you light codes and higher frequencies wherever you are on this planet Earth. Today's presentation is about psychodrama and telesmatic imagery, primarily how to use these techniques to release repressed emotions and tension and frustration that's lurking just beneath the surface, waiting to be triggered, to bite you in the butt when you least expect it, at the worst possible time. Now, Big Pharma and the healthcare industry, they do not want us to know how to manage our own thoughts, moods, and emotions, because they want to tell us what to think and how to feel. They do not want us to remain calm and focused, because they want us dependent on psychotherapy, counseling, and to pump us up full of Ambien and Adderall. Big Pharma, not for cure. The healthcare industry, also not for cure. They are both for profit. In Silicon Valley, big tech, and the shadow net, they do not want us to know that the EMFs from cell phone towers, computers, tablets, cell phones, and 5G are disrupting our natural biorhythms and influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. And to top this all off, we are under psychic attack every day from propaganda. Propaganda that's in the news, it's in advertising, it's on social media, it's pretty much everywhere. Everything is so fake. It's like we're living inside a plastic bubble filled with hot air. An overinflated bubble of a simulated reality that's about to burst. And because we all live inside this same world, we can store and carry around the emotions, moods, and thoughts of the collective conscious. I'll use this balloon for an example. Everyone loves balloons. They're at birthday parties, weddings, they're at the fair, they're at the circus. But did you know that balloons have EMFs too? We all know about the static electricity. When you put the balloon on your hair, it tries to stick to me, and then when I pull it away, it tries to take my hair with it. The same is with people. By default, we pick up and carry around their EMFs, energies, and static electricity. And this can impact us, especially if you are an empath or a highly sensitive person. You can take on other people's thoughts, moods, and energies and act upon these electrical impulses as if they are your own. This is how the 3D matrix is designed. This is what the 3D matrix is programmed to do. I will show you how to completely disarm your emotional triggers and release all those subsurface emotions that can get trapped inside your body and cause disease. And you don't need to drive across town to go to counseling or spend a fortune on therapy. You can do this in the comfort and the privacy of your own home with just a few inexpensive items from the dollar store. For example, I'll take balloon. Red is for anger. I'm so mad because the deep state of corruption, lies, and greed blew all frustrations and anger into the balloon and stayed out loud, what's the trigger? Oh, I'm so pissed off at them. How could they do this to us? Get it out. Pull it all inside the balloon. The more dramatic you are, the better the results. I'm so mad right now. You have to grab the attention of your subconscious mind. And just like anything else, the more energy you put into something, the more you get out of it. So ham it up and lay it on thick. I'm not leaving that interest. It makes me so angry. It's called psychodrama. Now get a magic marker and further objectify the emotion by writing it onto the balloon. Now draw an angry face. This can be simple or elaborate. Now look at the balloon. You can talk to the balloon, and you can tell it how you really feel. Let it have it. Let it know what you think. Take time to pull up the emotion that you have identified. I want you to really, really feel it on a physiological level. Hold the balloon and feel your blood boiling with anger. Now I want you to use telesomatic imagery to transfer all the same thing and frustration and put it into the balloon. You can visualize this anger inside of you as a dark, blood-red stream of energy. It's now flowing out of you to inside the balloon. Get out of me. I don't ever want to see you again. Bye. Bye. Now I'll use a blue balloon. Blue is for sad. And you do the same thing, the very same thing that you did with the red balloon. I am so sad because of all the manipulation, mind control, and brainwashing. It's so sad what they do to people. It's so sad what they do to people. They can use that stuff for good. Instead, they use it to divide the masses, keep everybody in fear. This makes me want to cry. Hold the balloon and feel the impulse to cry. People deserve better. We deserve better. use telesomatic imagery to transfer all the sadness and depression to inside the balloon. You can see the sadness as a dark, murky blue stream of energy. Green for disgusting. So sick and disgust. Throw it all out. Inside the pedophiles and human traffickers. So gross, it makes me sick to my stomach. So gross and disgusting, I can't stand him. Draw a sicko face. Look at the balloon. Stand you. How could you do that to children? It's babies. How does it make you feel? I want you to take it out in the balloon. Bring up and pull out all the emotion that you can. Make sure you really, really feel it. Feel the nausea in your stomach and transfer it to the balloon. You can visualize the disgust inside of you as a puke green stream that is now flowing out of you into the balloon. Get out of my face! If you'd like to know more inspirational and motivational activities, then jump on over to missionascension.com. There are some very fun and entertaining, yet highly effective programs that you can sign up for. And while you're there, you can sign up for a free membership. Doesn't cost a thing, and no credit card required. This free membership includes a free quantum healing, a free hypnosis workshop, and other free goodies. So jump on over to missionascension.com. I hope you enjoyed the balloons. I'm sending you lots of love and joy wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Have a brightly blessed day.